I'm a sexy monkey. Remember when selfie sticks were all the rage, but then they were banned like at Disneyland and people were getting injured with them? They still didn't offer you the flexibility that you want with a selfie because you're still holding the stick. Now you have full freedom with Pivo. You might have seen the ads for these on Instagram because I know I did. But no longer do you need an Instagram husband. You just need an Instagram Pivo. Set this baby down on a tripod, put your phone on top of it, and it will track you like so. There I go. So now that it recognizes my face, it'll track me and go with me wherever I am. So there are a couple uses for this. Let's say you want to take a selfie. Obviously, I want to take some good Instagram photos. I want someone to get in the photo with me. Hey, we don't need anything else but a Pivo. Or if I'm wanting to make a dance video, which is what I normally do on Friday nights at home.